You might want to browse through your PDF files using the app you have on your Apple device. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add PDF to Apple Books app. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, if you have downloaded a PDF file through the Safari, you should be able to see it on your Files app as well if you have saved it to the Files app. So if you have downloaded it from a browser, you can commonly see it on the download section right here. But my PDF file is on my iPhone, so I'm just going to click on this one. And for example, this is the PDF that I want to import to the Apple Books app. So just open up that certain PDF file from the Files app. And from here, let's click on this arrow up icon at the bottom left-hand corner, like that. And you should be able to see a list of apps from here. And we're going to find the icon of the Books app. So just swipe to the left to scroll through the apps. If you don't see the Books app from here, just click on this More option and scroll through this list, and you should be able to see the Books option. So tap on Books and wait for the app to load, and it should immediately be added to the Books app. Now, once I close this one, it should be seen on your library like this one, so you can just repeat the steps if you have more PDF files you want to import to your Apple Books app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.